Hey everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos. Please contribute if you can. Today is Wednesday, and every day we speak about the different vibrations of the day. And then you can find where you have those vibrations inside of you. So Wednesday vibration is the communicator. Communicating deeply, not superficially. Thinking deeply, not superficially. Stripping away all the false things and getting right to the heart of the matter. Someone who had this communicator personality in his spiritual blueprint was the great philosopher and teacher Krishnamurti. And he was asked this question: what is self-knowledge and how can we get it? How can we get it? So Krishnamurti said, do you see the mentality behind this question? I am not speaking out of disrespect for the questioner, but let us look at the mentality that asks, how can I get it? How much can I buy it for? What must I do? What sacrifice must I make? What discipline or meditation must I practice in order to have it? It is a machine-like, mediocre mind which says, I shall do this in order to get that. The so-called religious people think in these terms, but self-knowledge is not come by in this way. You cannot buy it through some effort or practice. Self-knowledge comes when you observe in your relationship with your fellow students and your teachers, with all the people around you. It comes when you observe the manner of another, his gestures, the way he wears his clothes, the way he talks, his contempt or flattery, and your response. It comes when you watch everything in you and about you and see yourself as you see your face in the mirror. When you look into the mirror and see yourself as you are. When you look into the mirror, you see yourself as you are, don't you? You may wish your head were a different shape with a little more hair, and your face a little less ugly. But the fact is, there, clearly reflected in the mirror. And you can't push it aside and say, how beautiful I am. Now, if you can look in the mirror of relationship exactly as you look in the ordinary mirror, then there is no end to self-knowledge. It is like entering a fathomless ocean, which has no shore. Most of us want to reach an end. We want to be able to say, I have arrived at self-knowledge and I am happy. But it's not like that at all. No. If you can look at yourself without condemning what you see, without comparing yourself with somebody else, without wishing to be more beautiful or more virtuous, if you can just observe what you are and move with it, then you will find that it is possible to go infinitely far. Then there is no end to the journey, and that is the mystery, that is the beauty of it. I like if you can look at yourself without condemning what you see, without moving. Yeah. Think on these things, as Krishnamurti said. Think on these things, ladies and gentlemen. Think on these things.